What the hell? The fire alarm just went off. Everybody had to go outside, right? And I'm on the 8th floor, so I had to go down 8 flights of stairs. 8 flights of stairs because the fire alarm went off. This building has 12 floors, right? And when the fire alarm goes off, everybody has to clear out. And it usually happens because of 3 things. 3 things. Somebody's smoking the weed in their room, the devil's lettuce. Somebody's vaping, or somebody burnt something in the microwave. And, you know, like popcorn. Like fucking popcorn. Somebody doesn't know how to make a bag of popcorn. Next thing you know, the whole building's got to be cleared out. And my ass, unathletic motherfucker like me, has to go down the fucking stairs and go stand outside for 10 minutes while we watch 2 cops go in and say, oh, it was just somebody setting off the alarm with their popcorn or their weed. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, for one, all right, let's start with the weed thing, right? Why the fuck are you doing it in your room, okay? Go out and smoke the shit in your car so I don't have to fucking go outside and stand there and watch your dumb ass going, I'm sorry, guys. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh. Shut the fuck up. Nobody cares. You're a fucking dumbass. Go fuck yourself. And the fucker's vaping. What the fuck are you doing? Open up the window and blow it out the fucking window. Same with the smoking weed. Blow it out the window. God. I'm so pissed off. What the fuck? And burning shit in the microwave. Are you kidding me? There's motherfuckers that burn shit in the microwave and then my ass has to go outside. Has to fucking go outside. And I get it. Sometimes you burn shit. Okay, I'm pointing over here because my microwave's over there. Sometimes you burn shit in it, right? I burnt up a tinfoil bowl I got from Buffalo Wild Wings. You know, when I put it in there, because I didn't know there was tinfoil in it. Like, it was just... Anyway, it burnt the shit up. I held a fucking trash bag over my alarm so the smoke wouldn't go into it. And I fucking threw it into a trash can, the fucking tinfoil box, and I had water all over that shit and smoke everywhere, but I held that trash bag and I fucking aired the shit out the window with the fan. I was on top of that shit. But these dumb motherfuckers are getting my ass outside. There's no reason for that. I didn't pay $20,000 to go fucking stand outside because your dumb ass is smoking weed, vaping, or burning your food. God, if I could just fucking find you right now and just... if I could just touch your face and just tell you kind words that will not get me in trouble with ISU when they see this video, I would kindly ask you to not do that again. A very kind manner. I'd be so kind. I'd be so nice. So, who set off that alarm? It was you.
Yeah, just had the burner up too high. Put the burgers on there, flipped it, and...
Wait, so hold on. You were making burgers.
Yeah.
It wasn't burning in the microwave. You were making burgers.
Yep.
Downstairs, or were you upstairs?
No, I was downstairs.
You were downstairs, in that little main area, the mess area, or whatever. This motherfucker, my roommate, this motherfucker set off that fucking alarm after all this shit. You realize I had to fucking go outside and stand there I had to walk up 8 flights of stairs while your ass is sitting there gobbling on a fucking burger.
No, I haven't eaten them yet.
You haven't eaten them yet?
I'm about to go eat them, though. They're going to be good. Yeah, they're going to be really good.
Are they burnt?
A little bit. I took them off, so they're going to taste good.
So that last clip got cut short because, you know, I had my phone set up on the tripod wrong or something, and maybe a button pressed to my phone. I don't fucking know. But anyway, the clip got cut short. I'm a dumbass. I'm probably going to cry myself to sleep tonight because of that bit. But anyway, I ripped him a new asshole, and he left to go eat his burgers. I live with this motherfucker. I sleep with this motherfucker. Well, not sleep with him, but bunk beds, right? And I'm on top. I'm on the top bunk. I'm always on top. I'm always on top. But anyway, I don't know what to do now. I don't know what to do. I'm fucking pissed off. This motherfucker had me standing outside because he wanted to gobble on a fucking burger. You've never heard of McDonald's? You've never heard of McDonald's? You've never heard of Burger King? You've never heard of Burger King. And the worst part is, we have a Burger King on campus, and you could use credits, right? And your credits renew each week, right? So you're basically eating at Burger King for free, because it doesn't mean shit, because they renew tomorrow anyway, and then you got fresh credits the whole week. So you're eating Burger King for free, and it's a really fucking good deal. And this dude said, I'm going to go downstairs in the mess hall, and I'm going to cook some burgers on the burner. What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck? I can't beat his ass. You don't just beat some dude's ass and then live with him. That's too much tension. I can't handle that tension. That's stressful. I already reacted bullshit in a crazy enough manner. Imagine if I got to deal with a roommate whose ass I just beat. I hope he doesn't kick my ass after he sees this video. Fuck. Oh, that motherfucker. Why him? Why'd it have to be him?
Ba bum ba bum ba 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 la.